Hey there YouTube, it's JP Dumpy, your BMW genius at BMW of Fort Washington. In today's quick lap, I'm going to be going over how to use your auto high beam button. So that's the button that is right over here. This little guy at the bottom of your left turn stock. So it's below your board control, right here, you'll see that little icon with the A and the high beam on there. So the way that works is as long as your main headlights are in auto, and the lights are on, aka it's dark out, you can press this auto high beam button and you'll get an indicator in your instrument cluster that will indicate that auto high beams are active. What that does, it uses a small sensor that you have up here to constantly look out ahead to see if there's anyone either taillights or headlights coming from the opposite direction. The second they're within range, it's going to turn off those headlights. If there is no one in front of you and no one is coming at you, it will instead turn those high beams on automatically to give you the best possible forward vision driving down the road. So again, that's automatic based on a sensor that's up there, and it can only be turned on when your low beams are already on. So, or rather when they're on auto and at night. So with that is a quick little step on how to use your automatic high beams. I hope you enjoyed.